Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. So I'm pouring my heart out today. I've been in the studio making a mess, so I didn't like this painting, so I decided to do the bloom technique over top of it. And all my products I use are in the description box, and my recipe on how I mix my paints for my bloom. But these are all different pigments that I'm using today. Some primary element prism pour and some this little piggy pigments. So yeah, having fun with these. This one came out so ethereal and beautiful. I love the way it came out. I'm definitely going to try it again. Not sure if I'll be able to actually do it again because you know, it's just, you never know what you're going to get with these. And I don't end up spinning this out. I just tilt it a little just to move the pigments around, and I love the composition. I'm a big fan of negative space, and this has a lot of negative space. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. All right, everybody, thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater and so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.